Microsoft Office is a powerful service that helps you unleash your best ideas, get things done, and stay connected on the go. You can simply sign in for a personalized experience and all the most up-to-date Office applications, with new and enhanced features continually being added. And one of the built-in features that Microsoft Office has is the autocorrect feature. The autocorrect feature has been created to correct typos, capitalization errors, misspelled words, as well as automatically insert symbols and other pieces of text. Most of the times, it can be very helpful, but in some situations, it can also be very annoying. So if you want to turn off some autocorrect options, such as the automatic copyright symbol, when typing C and close in parentheses in Microsoft Office programs, we would show you two possible solutions how you can do that in this video tutorial. Now, if you want to disable it temporarily, you can type in the letter C and close in parentheses as usual. The autocorrect option will change it to copyright symbol. Now what you would do next is to press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, and this will undo the autocorrect option and bring back the letter C and close in parentheses. But if you want a more permanent solution, you can go to the File tab and click Options from the categories on the left. In the Options window, go to Proofing, click Autocorrect Options. In the Autocorrect tab, there is a list of items which are replaced by autocorrect. Now find the letter C and close in parentheses, and then click Delete below the list. Then, click OK twice to save the changes. And that's how you can disable automatic copyright symbol when typing letter C and close in parentheses in Microsoft Office programs. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.